Burn belly fat and feel lighter with this gentle full-body Tai Chi flow. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Knee and chest opener. 3, 2, 1, start. Lower into a soft squat as your arms open wide to the sides, then rise slowly and bring the elbows together in front of the chest. Keep your knees aligned and feel more freedom through the legs and upper body. Exercise 2. Hip and shoulder mobility. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stretch your arms out at shoulder height, then gently raise one knee while your hands meet overhead. Alternate sides with control to improve balance, hip mobility, and shoulder flexibility. Next exercise. Exercise 3. Waist and core twist. 3, 2, 1, begin. Stand with a wide stance and softly rotate your body from side to side, letting the arms swing naturally. Relax your waist and engage the core to loosen the hips and awaken the abdominal muscles. Exercise 4. Ankle and chest opener. 3, 2, 1, go. Step lightly to the side as your body turns toward the stepping foot. Let your arms pull gently outward to open the chest. Keep the ankles relaxed and enjoy greater chest mobility and coordination. Exercise 5. Thigh and side stretch. 3, 2, 1. Reach one arm overhead while bending the same side knee, keeping the opposite leg straight. Alternate smoothly from side to strengthen the thighs and lengthen the muscles along the waist. Exercise 6. Full body flow. 3, 2, 1, go. Sink down softly as your hands lower and meet beneath the body, then rise slowly while lifting the arms overhead. Breathe deeply and feel the whole body stretch, relax, and recharge with calm energy. Exercise 7. Hand and neck relaxation. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands together at shoulder height and slowly turn your head left and right. Add a gentle squeeze through the hands to loosen the neck, improve joint mobility, and release upper body tension. Exercise 8. Ankle and knee strengthener. 3, 2, 1, begin. Place your hands on your hips and slowly lift the heels while bending the knees with control. Move steadily to improve ankle stability, strengthen the knees, and support better balance. Exercise 9, core and back activation. 3, 2, 1. Lift both arms overhead, then step forward 1 foot at a time as your hands glide down toward the leg and foot. Gently engage the stomach and back muscles before rising tall again. Exercise 10, hip rotation flow. 3, 2, 1. Hold your hands together in front of the chest, then step 1 foot back as the body rotates and 1 arm opens behind you. Alternate sides slowly to increase hip flexibility and spinal mobility. Exercise 11, full body relaxation. 3, 2, 1. Stand with 1 foot forward and softly swing the arms front and back while lifting the heel with each motion. Keep your breathing calm and allow the joints to loosen and relax naturally. Great job today. Every session is another step toward feeling lighter, stronger, and more balanced. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this workout. I'll be here for the next practice.